Yan po ang Ajman Beach Hotel po guys. Ayan siya, ayan. Yung malaking building po dyan guys. Ayan. Yung Ajman Beach Hotel po guys. At yung mga nandito guys, mga beach po yan guys. Ay ito. Itong puno na po to guys, beach po yan. Ayan. Ang hotel po dito guys, Ajman Beach Hotel. Ayan, laki po, naglalaki ang pong building po guys. Ayan.
To know these people, if you put inhibitor, they are controlled to dry after segregated of the paint, no? After you spray, I said they are curing is normal. But it's on the drum, the full part of it, they are accelerate very fast. See the resistance is very high. But when the application of the CPP panel is normal drying.
Ayan, tour muna tayo guys. Lakad-lakad tayo. Ito lang magagawa natin sa gabi guys. Ayan. Kasi sa umaga, nasa work si boyfriend, guys. Ayan. Dito ka? Ito.
And this guy, you know, the Filipino was supervisor. Mix and apply. Per time they don't accelerate or only inhibitor. No more. That is only CPT. Internal. They apply only that 2 coats.
Ajman Sarai. Ayan po guys. Ajman Sarai. Ayan yung mga building guys. Gandaan na oh.
You know what is the problem here? If they say 2 hours, they say 2 hours. That's the problem.
Ayan po guys. Ang ganda po ng Ajman sa gabi po. Ayan guys. Ayan po guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.